Hi YouTube friends, welcome back to my colorful vintage wardrobe. Today is an unboxing video. I'm still so excited and I can't believe I'm able to get this item. Thank you, thrifted. You guided me to this wonderful vintage piece. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. Here is dun, 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 dun. Very good packaging. Wow. It is beautiful. So look at this. Oh, golden star. Golden star. This is a big prize for me from thrifted. Thrifted give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 golden stars. Yeah. This jacket is from Escada. I'm a Escada lover, vintage Escada lover, and it's made in West Germany. So it's made in 80s or early 90s. And it's a leather jacket. Oh my God. Look how the golden stars are shining and the leather is shimmering beautifully in the sunshine. It's the softest leather I have ever touched. It's been 3 years since I fell into the rabbit hole of vintage secondhand thrifting world. One night I woke up, I checked on Depop, I saw it, I loved it, and I bought it. So this is today's unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you for watching. Take care. Until next video. Bye bye.